Here are 4 ways to make $800 a day using ChatGPT.
$800 per day. Don't you think it's a pretty big claim? Well, this ChatGPT thing got me curious. Let us learn the 3-step process they have. You will not like step number 3.
The first method is to sell birthday cards with a poem on Etsy.
Step 1. Create an Etsy account.
Like these can make well over 100,000. Check out this store. They've made 21,000 sales at $5. So access ChatGPT at this link.
Step number 2. Use AI.
Tell it to write me a Scottish birthday poem. It's gonna write it for you. Create a
Let AI write poem for you.
listing like this on Etsy, and Printful.com can automatically fulfill all of your orders. You don't need to get involved. They even ship it anywhere in the world. Number 2.
Now create a listing on Etsy and Printful will ship the product to the customer. And here comes the problem everybody hates. Where are the customers? The answer is Etsy sellers run ads on Etsy to drive customers. Do you have money to spend on ads? My beginner viewers don't have money. In fact, I never use ad to get customers. Here comes the solution, step number 4. Instead of doing all these shenanigans to sell a $5 product, use AI to learn valuable skills fast. Then use these skills and knowledge to make simple and short videos, just like this one, and upload your videos on social media sites. Social media will drive 100% free traffic to your AI-powered automated sales funnel. Now these sales funnel will do the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Now the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to our free case study.